your boy T-Bird on the reaction. So, oh man, so I came across this recently though. Oh man. So, randomly on my timeline, a video right here from based off of that worst death scene you've seen on a lot of videos, including Tony Baker. So, even this one got sounded by none other than Lexington Steele. Oh my god. I knew this was about to be funny as hell. So anyway, it's going to be a real quick video like the last one. So without further ado, is Lexington Steele sounds and worst death scene ever. Oh my god. I'm not even ready. I know shit about to be funny as hell. Let's get it. Lord. No! Hold up, oh God. Lord. Not that one! Lord. No. Here, treated like I tried to laugh. It really was a regular reaction, but still. Oh God. Ooh, Lord. Lord. Lord have mercy, that was funny as hell. Oh my god. Y'all funny for that. I want to check something, see if I got enough time, because I'm got food taken care of. I'm gonna see if they got this and got enough time to do this. I was gonna say for Film Friday, but I might not wait till then. Shoot. What was he doing? Yeah, I'm gonna do it another time. Wait for Film Friday for that. Cause this video called Best of Bag Acting, but I'm gonna wait for it to later on. Try to laugh to another time though. Make it a special for Film Friday, but still, Lord. Oh man, that was hilarious. That was hilarious. So anyway, if you like my reaction, like, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy T-Bird signing off. One love.